considerably. Starting with our fund performance for the large cap category. The Equity Growth Fund 2 has given 18.41% over a 5-year period against the Nifty 50 index benchmark returns of 12.87% over the same period. Since inception, the fund has given a CAGR return of 14.89%. For Pure Stock Fund, the compounded annual growth rate on a 5-year return is at 20.84% as against 12.87% of Nifty 50 index returns. The CAGR return since inception is 16.3%. Coming to the asset allocation category, the compounded annual growth rate for Asset Allocation Fund 2 is 9.09% for a 3-year return as against 8.44% of CRISIL Balanced Fund Aggressive Index returns. The CAGR return since inception is 12.02%. Next, in the mid-cap category, the compounded annual growth rate for Accelerator Mid-Cap Fund 2 has done well. Our 5-year return is at 25.91% as against 20.69% of Nifty Midcap 50 index benchmark returns. The CAGR return since inception is 15.55%. Coming to the index fund category, the compounded annual growth rate for Blue Chip Equity Fund on a 5-year return is at 12.28% against 12.87% of the Nifty 50 index benchmark index. The CAGR return since inception is 8.09%. In the cash fund category, the compounded annual growth rate on a 5-year return for liquid fund is at 7.4% vis-a-vis the CRISIL Liquid Fund Index, which has given a return of 8.02%. The CAGR return since inception has been 8.12%. Lastly, in the debt fund category, the compounded annual growth rate for bond fund on a 5-year return is 7.49% against the CRISIL Composite Bond Fund Index benchmark, which has given 7.64% returns. Since inception, the CAGR return has been 8.6%.